River North is one of Chicago's hottest neighborhoods, known for art galleries, restaurants, and accessibility to shopping, the Chicago River, and transportation routes. River Place on the Park is in the quiet park section of River North, and this rarely available east-facing condo is totally renovated and ready for you to move in. What's different about this property? Well, first, the 41-foot-long balcony offers views of the city and Chicago River. The second bedroom was opened up to create a lovely L-shaped living dining area, and the brand new kitchen is a chef's dream. Imagine reading a book by the cozy fire while enjoying these remarkable views. Find out more about this posh condo. I'm Anne.rossley with Baird & Warner. Let's connect.